Add the Climate Station's 2005 DBF table from the USA folder. In Contents, right-click the Climate Station's 2005 table and choose Display XY Data. Keep the defaults and run the tool. Use Select Layer by Attribute on Climate Station's 2005 XY Table T layer to select the stations with an average annual temperature greater than 60 degrees. In Contents, right-click the Climate Station's 2005 XY Table T layer and choose Data, Export Features. Name the output Warm Stations. Remove the Climate Station's 2005 table and layer.